Is that some like frozen Kool-Aid concoction or something?
It's ground up fruit. So they're like big fruit popsicles. So the top one is blackberry. The middle one is cantaloupe and oranges. And the bottom one is kiwi and honeydew melon. And then the disc that said 25 on it is his meat. His ground meat that he gets as part of his diet. We had some extra, so we made 25 in it, and we put some apples and pears.
What does a bear say?
I thought it was the seagull's birthday.
Is that a big bear?
No, the seagull thought it was too. It's Blizzard. Switch shoot.
Oh, we like the orange one.
Yeah.
Nice work, Cindy. He's like upset.
He's so cute.
He just jumped it.